This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Varga. Adorable newly remodeled 3-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex with eat-in kitchen, new refrigerator, gas stove, good size living room, laundry area with top/bottom washer/dryer combo. 1 big master bedroom downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs. Fenced-in yard with a shed. Sorry, no pets. Gas, electric, and water is tenant's responsibility. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.